Hey there everyone and welcome. I am so glad that you're here watching today. My name is Lisa and this is a Dollar Tree Christmas shopping haul. Last week I took you shopping in Dollar Tree and showed you all the wonderful things they had for Christmas 2022, and today I am going to share with you everything that I found and brought home with me. Now when I went last week, they still did not have like all their wrapping and gift sacks out, so I will be going back to get those. They are a great way to pick up wrapping supplies for little to nothing. Okay, let's do this. Let me show you what I found at Dollar Tree. They have really stepped up their game this year. I'm going to start with one of my favorite finds. I got these scented sticks. This is such an economical way, and it smells good to have your artificial trees give off the fragrance of a real tree. You can get a very expensive version of these at other stores, but for $1.25, this was a great deal. And since I put up 6 trees, I'm spreading the love around. I got 5 of these little canisters of sticks. There's 6 in each, and I will divide them among the trees and among my garland, and my house is gonna smell really good this Christmas. Very cute and very glittery. I got these golden glitter reindeer. Aren't those so cute? I don't think I'm gonna actually hang them on the tree. I think I am going to use them sitting on tables as little ornaments and decorations amongst my other Christmas decor. But very cute however you use them. They had a lot of Christmas ornaments out. Some were repeats from the last couple of seasons, but some things were new that I had not seen before. And I just love them. I think they're cute. So I was excited to find these. These little elf legs were another cute ornament find. They had several variations in the colors. I think I have a craft planned for this, a DIY, and I will be bringing that to you. But if not, I will just hang them on my tree if I change my mind on how they look on the DIY. Then we will still use them because, hello, they're cute. Okay, I have a love for golden bells, and you will see that in another shopping haul I have coming for you, and you will see it when you are here for my decorating. Tons of gold bells. So, of course, I had to add these gold bells to my collection. I'm actually going to DIY these and make a jingle bell garland. I saw one, it was very pricey at another store. I think I can make it for less. So stick around, I will bring you all the DIYs coming up very soon, and for sure through Vlogmas, because I plan to do Vlogmas, which is 25 videos in 25 days starting December 1st. So buckle up, get ready for that ride. There will be a lot of jingle bells. This garland was super cute. Look at those little gnomes. I loved it. Now, I got white. They also had green and red with the same little gnomes on there. It is a 9-foot tinsel garland. I'm impressed with the quality. For $1.25, it's not super thick, but it's not skimpy at all either. definitely fun. You can add this in somewhere. You can use it in your kids' rooms. They want decorations a lot of times in their room, but you don't want to spend a lot. Go to Dollar Tree. You're going to see a theme running here and developing. I got 4 packages of these little gnome crafts. There are 3 wooden gnomes in each package, and it comes with the little markers. Now, I have a DIY planned for these. And I'm not going to tell you. You're going to have to subscribe, turn on your bell, and come back for that. But I also think these are great for class parties, to entertain your kids while you're trying to get stuff done around the holidays, and then you can decorate your tree with it, to put in stockings and goodie bags for little kids. I think they're great fun for everybody. You could do a lot with these. They had a ton of shapes and options. They had Santa Claus, they had snowmen. So if you're not into the elves, there were other options. I even think there were reindeer maybe. But a great little find for $1.25. I even think this would be great at Thanksgiving to have for all the kids that are there. They get bored, they don't like sitting around. Put together little Dollar Tree goodie bags for all the kids in attendance at your family function. And then they have something to entertain them that's new, fun, and exciting. So my kids may be older, they're 21 and 18, but I do not forget the importance of entertaining kids at functions, on road trips, and during the holidays. It gets tricky during the holidays. There's a lot of sugar, a lot of excitement. I got 2 packages of these metal tags. There are 2 in a package. It comes with the little string already attached, or you can switch that out if you don't like the twine. They're substantial and heavy for the price. They were awesome. A great, great deal. And you could do so many cute things with these. They'd be cute just like this with the Sharpie, right to and from on a special gift. You could use your Cricut or Silhouette and do vinyl on these. They could be ornaments, gift tags, cocoa bar marking, you know, like for all your cocos on your cocoa bar. Tons of things you could do with these. So I went ahead and picked up 2 while I saw them and they were available. Because we all know Dollar Tree, you get it while it's there or you might miss out. Dun, da, da, da. Another little wooden gnome. These are great crafts too for little kids. Give them some craft paint, washable craft paint. But I'm going to DIY him. He's hollow on the inside. He's not printed on the back. You could dress him up however you want. Use your imagination and get creative. It's the holidays. It's time for fun. Don't let it all be work, stress, and throw in a good dose of fun. Make it a family project even. So be watching for him. Dollar Tree has great florals if you catch them in stock. I got a ton of really good fall foliage and greenery there. And so when I saw these, I snagged them. They're going to be little vase fillers. These are holly berries. They have little snow, sugary flocking on them. Super cute. They're just labeled as branches. These are frosted, glittery, snowy eucalyptus. These are plastic. Another great find in the floral section. And then this frosted greenery It's just like an evergreen, and it has that little bit of snowy frost. And I got 2 of these snowflake wooden pieces. They were in the craft section with all the other unfinished wood. And I'm gonna DIY them. I am just on a roll this year. I am determined to have fun and be creative. So these were pretty. I think they would be pretty just like this. If you have a neutral color palette and you like the aesthetic of the natural wood, you could just string these together as is and they would be perfect. They have that little bit of we'll wait. Yes, Santa's dropping off the package. They have this little bit of dark wood accent around the ends, so it gives them depth and just a really nice touch. Their ribbon section was really good this year. They had a lot of ribbon, but I picked up this red with white snowflakes for one of my projects. So we're going to use that, but they had tons of colors, tons of widths. Now you don't get a whole lot on the roll. This one had 12 feet. You know, some of them just have 3 feet. The wider ribbon doesn't have as much on there. Cutie cute, gnome for the holidays. He's so cute. And he matches the gnomes on the garland. They had a lot of stuff that matched. So you can set your theme and everything can coordinate and look nice together. He's super cute. He has a little pom-pom on there. He's on that pressed thick board. And then I got this wood frame with this tin. It's magnetic. Perfect little board that I'm going to use in one of my DIYs. I was excited to find it. Now, we're moving over to what I call the expensive section of Dollar Tree. And there are still some really good deals over there, but not everything's $1 anymore. It's $1.25, and not everything is $1.25. They have $3 and $5 items as well. And some of you have told me that your stores don't even have that expensive section yet. So it's different. It's different merchandise, different stocking days and schedules all across the country. So if it's not there and you're not seeing what I'm showing, keep checking back because it's liable to show up eventually. I found this really pretty black and white checked Farm Fresh Christmas tree sign. I love these cutouts and the natural wood. They're raised up off of the tray. You could use this as a said tray on your like kitchen counter or whatever, but it has a hanger and it was $3. Still not a bad price for this cute little sign. And then as your aesthetic changes and your decor changes with the trend, you know, like trends and styles, you don't feel like you have to keep it forever because it was only $3. This sign is super pretty. I think I may change the burlap ribbon. It is nice, but I think I can make it nicer with a fancier ribbon. It has this metal on here. The wording is nice. This little decor is nice. Can probably zhuzh that up and make it a little more substantial, but super cute. And it was $5. This sign was also $5. It has this really pretty beaded garland across the top saying enjoy, and then printed to the world. Nice little frame to hang up or to set on an easel or prop against a shelf or something to add a pop of color around your home this Christmas. And this is the last thing I got to share with you. This Holly Farms greenhouse nursery. It is a tin sign. It's painted. It's very pretty. It hangs up by this twine hanger. And it was $5 as well. Very nice, much more muted and neutral than the other red signs, but very nice as well. And I think it would be a great addition around your home at Christmas. Thank you all again for being here and watching. I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree Christmas 2022 shopping haul where I showed you all the great decor, the DIY items that I'm gonna make fabulous and great in the coming weeks for Christmas. If you enjoyed this video and like content like this, be sure to hit that thumbs up. That lets me know how much you enjoyed it. And if you haven't already, I invite you to hit that subscribe bar and turn on that notification bell so you can come back and see what I do with all these great Dollar Tree finds. Christmas 2022 is going to be epic at Uniquely Lesa's house, and I would love for you to be a part of it. Most of all, I hope you have the most wonderful and blessed day, and I look forward to seeing you on here again real soon.